Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy S24 Ultra with sleek, strong, stunning design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, 6.8 inches quad HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 88.5% screen to body ratio, approximately 505 ppi pixel density, 2600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with quad camera setup on the rear that includes 200 megapixel 24mm OIS wide-angle camera, along with 50 megapixel 111mm periscope telephoto 5x optical zoom and 10x optical quality zoom camera, with 10 megapixel 67mm telephoto 3x optical zoom camera, and with 12 megapixel 13mm ultra wide angle camera. For selfies it has 12 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24, 30 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.39 GHz. Single-core Cortex X4, plus 3.1 GHz tri-core Cortex A720, plus 2.9 GHz dual-core Cortex A720, plus 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 232 grams. The color options: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, titanium yellow, titanium blue, titanium green, titanium orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, 4.5-watt reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, and with NFC, Galaxy AI, Circle to Search, Live Translate, Note Assist, Photo Assist. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at $1,300, $363,999 Pakistani rupees, 129,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at $1,420 $397,999 Pakistani rupees, 139,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at $1,660, $464,999 Pakistani rupees, 159,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.